Hi there, students. To dazzle, a verb. Dazzling as an adjective, and even dazzlingly as an adverb. You could also even have the verb to bedazzle, but that's probably a bit old-fashioned. Okay, if light dazzles you, it shines really brightly in your eyes and you're unable to see for a short time. I put on my sunglasses because the sunlight was dazzling me. I was dazzled by it. Or if you're driving at night and you have your headlights on full beam, you need to dip them so that they don't dazzle drivers who are coming in the opposite direction. At night, if somebody shines a torch in your face, you're dazzled and you can't see for a short amount of time. Okay, so to dazzle, to lose your clear vision because you've been looking at a bright light, to overpower with light. So he was dazzled by the flash of the camera. But we mostly use this nowadays, to say that something's extremely good, it's extremely exciting, it's really impressive. I was dazzled by his performance in the gymnasium. I was dazzled by the incredibly good English that he spoke. He speaks dazzling English. Okay, so to cause somebody to feel strong admiration for something. I was dazzled by the beautiful buildings in London. Yeah? So this is just, it's metaphorical for this bright light. Yeah, to amaze, to overwhelm with a spectacular display. She dazzled the audience with her beautiful singing. Yeah, so it's to become temporarily blinded because something is just so amazing. He was attracted by the dazzle of the city lights. He gave a dazzling performance in the film. Yeah, so really impressive, amazing, overwhelming, awesome. That's awesome. Hypnotizing, stupefying. Yeah, because it's just so good. The dazzle of show business attracted him. So there we've used dazzle as a noun. The splendor, the sparkle, the glitter, the razzmatazz, if you like. Yeah. The sun's dazzle hurt my eyes. He dazzled everybody with his amazing knowledge. Yeah. Okay. So to dazzle. He dazzled everybody with his charm and his dazzling wit. Okay, so to dazzle, either the state of being dazed, dazzled, because something is just so amazing, to stun or to stupefy, or particularly with your eyes, when a bright light is shone into your eyes, then you are dazzled. I think you could be dazzled by a blow. If somebody hit you, I was dazzled by the blow. Yeah, I just didn't know where I was. Or maybe he was dazzled by the cold. Yeah, confused, made to feel numb. Okay, so effectively, yeah, the state of being dazed, in a daze. But so to dazzle, we use this talking about the bright light. How formal is this? I would give this a 5 in formality, used to dazzle anywhere. It's a regular verb. The lights dazzled me. I've been dazzled by the lights. And then as to origin? Well, it comes from the word daze, yeah, which probably itself, a daze, I'm in a daze, I'm seeing stars, which probably comes from the old Norse word dasa, yeah, meaning, I think meaning to become tired. Okay, so I can see a link to them. So, days, it sounds like there are 7 days in a week, days, yeah, but then to dazzle, okay, comes from days. So, I hope you are dazzled by this wonderful video and find it easy to remember. Yeah, I hope my dazzling performance is easy for you to remember. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To dazzle brightly.